Here we are again with a great business that will make you more profits. Welcome to our channel, the only place where you get inspired with industrial business ideas. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mango juice production. We'll guide you through the process of starting a successful mango juice factory in Africa, from the essential machinery to strategic marketing tips. Mango juice is a popular and refreshing beverage with immense market potential. With the right approach, you can create a thriving business. Stay tuned to learn about the machines you need, the production process, and effective marketing strategies to boost your sales. Analyze local market preferences, fresh versus processed juice, pulp versus clear juice, different flavor profiles. Target specific markets like health-conscious consumers, families, or cater to dietary needs, e.g., sugar-free single-serve options. Understand your competitors' offerings and identify potential gaps in the market, e.g., premium quality organic juice. Choose your production scale, small batch for local markets, medium scale for regional distribution, large scale for national or export, based on budget and market needs. Decide on your business model, direct sales, wholesale to distributors, supplying supermarkets/restaurants. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your financial projections, marketing strategy, and operational plan. Research required permits and licenses for food processing businesses in your specific African country. Understand food safety regulations and labeling requirements for juice products, including nutritional information and shelf life. Consider insurance options for your factory and product liability. Sorting tables and washing tanks for thorough cleaning and removal of blemishes. Pulpers separate the flesh from the pit. Extractors further refine the pulp into juice. Industrial filters remove unwanted particles for a smooth juice consistency. For clear juice, use a centrifuge to remove remaining pulp particles. Heat treatment, batch or continuous flow pasteurizers ensures juice safety and extends shelf life. Filling machines ensure consistent portions in bottles, cartons, or pouches. Consider production scale, desired juice quality, and budget when choosing equipment. Explore options for new or used equipment from reputable vendors. Evaluate ongoing maintenance needs and factor in after-sales support. Focus on efficiency to minimize waste and maximize juice yield. Maintain strict hygiene throughout processing to comply with food safety regulations. Before starting any business, market research is crucial. Understand the demand for mango juice in your target area and identify your competition. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, budget, target market, and marketing strategies. This plan will serve as your roadmap to success. Ensure you comply with local health and safety regulations. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate your mango juice factory legally. Let's explore the essential machinery needed for producing high-quality mango juice efficiently. Start with a mango washer to clean the fruits thoroughly. This machine removes dirt, pesticides, and other contaminants. Start with a mango washer to clean the fruits thoroughly. This machine removes dirt, pesticides, and other contaminants. A pulp extractor separates the pulp from the seeds and skin. This machine ensures a smooth and consistent pulp, which is the base for your juice. A juice extractor further processes the pulp, extracting the juice while removing any remaining solids. Pasteurization is crucial for extending the shelf life of your juice. A pasteurizer heats the juice to eliminate harmful bacteria. The final step is filling and sealing the bottles. An automatic filling and sealing machine ensures hygiene and efficiency. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of mango juice production, from washing the mangoes to packaging the final product. Start by washing the mangoes in the mango washer. Then, use the peeler and slicer to prepare the mangoes for pulp extraction. Transfer the prepared mango pieces to the pulp extractor. Once the pulp is ready, process it through the juice extractor to obtain the juice. Pasteurize the juice to ensure it is safe for consumption. This process involves heating the juice to a specific temperature for a set period. Finally, fill the bottles with the pasteurized juice and seal them using the filling and sealing machine. Maintaining high quality is essential for customer satisfaction and compliance with health regulations. Implement strict quality control measures at each stage of production. Attractive packaging can make your product stand out. Invest in professional design to create eye-catching labels and bottles. Ensure your labels comply with local regulations, including nutritional information, ingredients, and expiration dates. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of mango juice production, from washing the mangoes to packaging the final product. Start by washing the mangoes in the mango washer. Then, use the peeler and slicer to prepare the mangoes for pulp extraction. Transfer the prepared mango pieces to the pulp extractor. Once the pulp is ready, process it through the juice extractor to obtain the juice. Pasteurize the juice to ensure it is safe for consumption. This process involves heating the juice to a specific temperature for a set period. Finally, fill the bottles with the pasteurized juice and seal them using the filling and sealing machine. Maintaining high quality is essential for customer satisfaction and compliance with health regulations. Implement strict quality control measures at each stage of production. Attractive packaging can make your product stand out. Invest in professional design to create eye-catching labels and bottles. Ensure your labels comply with local regulations, including nutritional information, ingredients, and expiration dates. Now, let's talk about strategic marketing to boost your sales and establish your brand in the market. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Position your mango juice as a healthy, refreshing, and high-quality beverage. Build an online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Share engaging content such as recipes, health benefits, and behind-the-scenes videos. Participate in local events, farmers markets, and fairs to promote your mango juice. Offer free samples to attract potential customers. Collaborate with local cafes, restaurants, and retailers to sell your mango juice. This can increase your reach and credibility. Approach supermarkets and convenience stores to stock your mango juice. Offer competitive pricing and attractive point-of-sale displays. Run promotions and offer discounts to attract new customers. Consider loyalty programs to retain existing customers. Develop a catchy brand name and logo that reflects the freshness and quality of your mango juice. Design appealing packaging that showcases your brand and highlights the health benefits of mangoes. Consider incorporating elements of African culture or art into your branding for a unique identity. Build a strong social media presence, Facebook, Instagram, showcasing your factory, the production process, and the deliciousness of your juice. Partner with local food bloggers or social media influencers for product reviews and promotions. Develop a user-friendly website with information about your product, brand story, factory location, optional, and contact details. Consider offering online ordering and delivery options for convenience, depending on your market. Participate in trade shows, food fairs, and farmers markets to introduce your juice to potential distributors and customers. Offer free samples at events or grocery stores to generate interest and word-of-mouth marketing. Network with local supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, and hotels for potential partnerships and distribution channels. Develop eye-catching flyers and posters with clear messaging for local marketing campaigns. Explore export opportunities to reach international markets. Research the regulations and requirements for exporting food products. As demand grows, consider expanding your production capacity. Invest in additional machinery and hire more staff to keep up with orders. Introduce new flavors and products to keep your customers interested. Conduct market research to identify popular trends and preferences. Expand your distribution channels by selling online, in retail stores, and through wholesale partners. Diversifying your sales channels can increase your reach and revenue. We've covered the essentials of starting a mango juice factory, from the machinery needed to strategic marketing tips. Remember, quality production and effective marketing are key to your success. Ready to start your mango juice business? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Leave your questions and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. In our next video, we'll explore advanced marketing techniques and how to scale your mango juice business. Stay tuned until next time. Cheers to your success. From our boss, Jami.